In today's video, I'll show you how to post team announcements in Microsoft Teams. Announcements are a great way to grab attention and make sure important messages stand out in your channels. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Teams and go to the team and channel where you want to post the announcement. Then inside of the channel, click the conversation box. At the bottom of the box, select Announcement instead of Post. Then select Announcement. This will change the message layout to an announcement style. Now, add a headline for your announcement. This is the bold title that everyone will see first. Below the headline, type your announcement message. You can format the text by adding bold, italics, bullet points, or links to make it clear and easy to read. If you want, you can also change the background color of the announcement to make it more noticeable. Once you're done, review your message and click Send. Your announcement will be posted in the channel and will stand out from regular messages. That's it. You now know how to post team announcements in Microsoft Teams and make important updates more visible to your team. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Microsoft Teams tutorials.